Hi everyone, it's Phil here and welcome to the Leg Countdown 2.0. Now you loved my first leg countdown and you achieved great results from it. However, if you haven't tried that one out yet, make sure you give it a go before you even try this one. However, if you tried it and you loved it, well, the Leg Countdown 2.0 is a leg countdown but on steroids. It is going to knock your socks off. So not only is it going to strengthen and tone your leg muscles, it will improve your cardiovascular fitness and burn off a stack of calories at the same time. So let's go and check out what you need to do for the workout right now. Now to complete the Leg Countdown 2.0, you'll need to complete 8 different exercises. So you'll complete 10 repetitions of each exercise, followed by 9 repetitions of each exercise, followed by 8, 7, 6, all the way down to 1. Hence the name, the Leg Countdown 2.0. So I'll give you a quick run through of the exercises right now and then you can get straight into the workout. Okay, so to complete this workout, you will need a bench and that is it. Now if you don't have a bench, you could always use a chair. However, starting with the bench, the first exercise we'll do will be glute bridges with your feet up on the bench. So when we do this exercise, we want to push through your heels into the bench and raise the glutes off the ground. We want to come up and make a straight line from your knees to your shoulders, squeezing the glutes and hamstrings as hard as you can. So again, pushing down, trying to focus on those muscle groups. Take it down, touch the ground and come straight back up. Little 2-second squeeze up the top and then back down. So once you've completed your glute bridges, straight away, we're going to focus on the glutes again. We'll turn over and do our hip thrusts. So back on the bench, always keep the head up slightly so we don't arch the back on the top phase. You can always hold a dumbbell on your hips if you want. Otherwise, just do without anyway. We're going to come up, squeeze the glutes again for 2 seconds and back down. Up and back down. So if you want to make it a little bit harder, instead of using a barbell, I want this workout to be fast, so just grab some dumbbells and put it on your hips. So come up, 2-second squeeze and back down. Now once you've completed your hip thrust, hop up, straight away step ups. So count per leg when you do your step ups. After your step ups, straight into box jumps. So get down, explode up. After box jumps, I'll just move this here for now. Lateral bench shuffle. So foot in the middle of the bench, arm here, and we're going to jump to the other side. So explode up through your glutes and your quads. So once you've completed lateral bench shuffles, we'll do our lunge jumps. Down and up. Now if you can't do lunge jumps, you could always do lunges, just hold some dumbbells. After our lunge jumps, straight into frog jumps. Arms straight, touch the ground and explode up into the air with a little bit of a jump. And after completed frog jumps, into burpees, out and up. Now once you've completed all of those exercises, I'll have a quick sip of water, let your heart rate come down a little bit and then start up again. If you like this video and you want more, you know what to do. Hit that notification bell, subscribe and like, and you're gonna get a whole lot more. However, if you want to take away all of the guesswork and have everything mapped out for you, come to philhartshorn.com where you'll find my exercise programs, including at-home programs or gym programs, meal plans, including 4-week healthy eating meal plans, recipe books with over 380 healthy eating recipes, and a whole lot more. You'll have everything you need to achieve your health and fitness goals. So thank you for watching and see you next time.